We first begin with meteorologist Mike Doyle, who walks us through 5 days that crippled western New York during this once-in-a-generation blizzard.
The deadly historic Christmas blizzard began early Friday morning, December 23rd, and lasted through Saturday night, the 24th. While blizzard conditions may have ended there, heavy lake effect snow took over and continued through Tuesday, the 27th. The storm lasted over 120 hours in total. A strong trough plummeted as far south as Gulf of Mexico. Arctic air poured into the lower 48. An incredibly strong cold front raced across western New York early Friday morning. It was nearly 40 degrees and raining across the region before the front arrived. Rain quickly turned into snow immediately behind the cold front, leading to a flash freeze. By noon, temperatures were in the teens, and the wind chill was well into the negatives. The coldest air moved in Friday night, as most of us saw wind chills between minus 20 Fahrenheit to minus 10 Fahrenheit, with the coldest spot being in the southern tier at minus 35 Fahrenheit. Blizzard conditions officially began at 8:39 Friday morning. That same morning, the highest wind gusts of the event were recorded: 79 miles per hour at the base of the Buffalo Skyway, 72 miles per hour at the Buffalo Airport, and 74 miles per hour at Niagara Falls. After 37 consecutive hours, the winds began to weaken and the blizzard came to an end at the Buffalo Airport at 9:54 p.m. on Saturday. Strong winds led to wider and longer snow bands and shredded snowflakes, leading to impossible driving conditions and widespread power outages. The lake effect snow bands set up over northern Erie and Niagara counties Friday, dropping 1 to 2 feet of snow. A daily snowfall record was broken at the Buffalo Airport as 22.3 inches fell on December 23rd. Snowfall totals approached 3 feet by Saturday night. Sunday, the wind direction shifted, steering the snow band south of Buffalo over the south towns. Snowfall rates of 2 to 3 inches per hour were persistent east of Lake Erie Saturday night through Sunday. The bands once again shifted northward towards Buffalo and the north towns before tapering off by Tuesday morning. By the end of the event, a whopping 51.9 inches of snow fell at the Buffalo Airport, and 59.7 inches fell in North Tonawanda. By Tuesday, conditions improved enough, and many of us left our house for the time to see hundreds of cars abandoned on roads and snow drifts as high as 10 feet. The 5-day historic blizzard and lake snow event led to school and government closures, impossible driving conditions, and tens of thousands left without power. Sadly, 47 people lost their lives during this event.